Hello everyone, my name is Mukesh Kharia and I am representing Messe Stuttgart India. Messe Stuttgart is a German company who organizes various exhibitions. We are bringing some of the world's renowned exhibitions in India for fasteners, for molding and for logistics industry. Through our specialized trade fairs, we are aiming to bring latest cutting-edge technology and innovations to display in front of the wide range of audience in the logistics, molding and fasteners industry. India is growing at a very fast pace and such events which VDMA is organizing is very important, where we can share and discuss the manufacturing industry together, what steps we can take and how we can transform these industries. The upcoming Indo German Symposium on 23rd November at Pune provides a very good platform to discuss and strategize various things in the manufacturing industry. We trust that these events will help the industry at large. We can connect with each other, we can foster some relationships through this event, and see you there.